Good evening. Today I was going to walk through my random number guesser game that I made in Java. So I have a number of classes here on this side. I'll walk through them real quick and then I'll show you the program. Um, I'll start with just the random number generator, right? We import random. There's a specified max and min, which I set, not the user. And then this is then plugged in to generate a random number that is returned, right? Um, now in main, this is where the random number generator object is created, or the instance with these parameters. Now for the guesser, it's going to allow the guess, right? The user input. It's going to keep track of the guesses, and it's going to say if the guess is correct. And so it says, what's your guess? It's going to get it. And then with everyone, it gets an additional count, right? Now the guess evaluator will tell you if it's too high, too low, or if it's correct. If it's correct, it will then return it. And then finally, this last method here is just to get the count of the number of guesses so far. So in main, we also have the random number is created, and then we assume is correct is false because we haven't guessed it yet. So while it's false, let's receive a guess and let's evaluate that guess until they're done, right? Once they've finished, right, let's print out the number of times that it took for them to guess the number. And then it's going to create, I have these two classes here, a reader and a writer. This is just for the stretch challenge. This is going to read the number, like the high score here, and the writer, if they scored a score lower, like, or if it took them less guesses than their high score, it will then replace their high score. So in the main file here, finally, it's going to say if either it's just empty, like there were no guesses yet, or if it's less than the high score, then it's going to write it, right? And so it's going to say your new record is this, or your record is still this. So that's the program. Fairly basic. I'm going to compile it here and then run it. So it says, what's your guess? This is just 1 to 100. So I'll start with 50. It's too high. Let's go down to 25. Still too high. Let's go to 10. Okay, we're too low. 15, too low. 20, too high. 18. Okay, so we guess at 18. Says you guessed the total number of 6 times, your record is still 6. Now, for example, let's say our high score here was like 1,000 or something like that. If we were to rerun this, it's too high. 25, too high. 15, too low. 20, too low. 22, too high. 21. Okay, now when I do that, my guess score jumped down from 1,000 to 6, right? So it will replace it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, the last thing I wanted to show you here is, let's say it takes you too many guesses. Let's say I guessed 50 so many times, and 75, then 80, still too low. Really, 90, 95, too low. 99 is too high. 97, okay. So it says guess to the record, or a total of 13 times, the record is still 6, right? Because obviously that wasn't as good of a score. So anyways, this is my program. Pretty happy with it. Any suggestions? Definitely, I'm open to those. But yeah, thanks for watching.